What is going on YouTube? This is Kellen with Dream Media Home Theater. If you aren't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification so you know when the next video drops. Today we've got a very special unboxing. It is an amplifier from Parasound, their Halo series. It's the A31 amplifier, and we'll get right into it after the intro. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Remember, if you are interested in any of the products that we show here on our channel, we are an authorized dealer for all the equipment. So we do guarantee the lowest price on all of our products with free shipping, and just reach out to one of our sales team members and we'll get you guys fixed up. Stop! Before you open this carton, it is a good time to make sure you purchase this unit from an authorized Parasound dealer. Very important, guys. Right here on the box. So again, this comes double boxed. Opening up the box within a box now. You have a little package on top. A little 12-volt trigger there. Looks like some mounting brackets, some hardware, and your power cable on this little box. Some paperwork here, an owner's guide. Very nice looking stuff. Alright, this is very nice here. I'm just gonna lift this out of the box. Woo. Things are a little heavy. Alright. Again guys, taking a look in the front of this Parasound amplifier. It is a 3-channel amplifier, the A31. It's in their Halo series by Parasound. Company's been in the game for a long time, guys. They know exactly what they're doing. This particular model, again, is 250 watts per channel. It's 3 channels at 8 ohms or 400 watts per channel at 4 ohms. It can go 6 decibels above THX reference level. Man, just a nice looking amplifier. All metal design. You got the brushed up here, little THX logo. Alright, we got this thing flipped around. Again, this is a good shot of the back of the unit. You have your main power in here. Your on and off toggle switch there. Over on the left hand side, you have your 12-volt trigger where you can loop that in to a preamp or your existing AVR, which I'm going to do. I'm going to be tying this into the Marantz 8012 as my preamp, and with it being a 3-channel amplifier, this is going to power my front stage, which would be the Ultra Towers and center channel from SVS. So can't wait to hear that. And if you want to manually have it turn on with, do that, 12-volt trigger, or flip it up into auto. Your main gain here, looks like the very top there, lining it up, would be your normal or reference level there. You have your balanced inputs as well as your unbalanced, and then of course you have your speaker terminals here. And everything is just well built, guys, on this thing. You can tell just by picking this box up that it is made quality. And man, this is a lot bigger unit than I had imagined. I can't wait to try this out and get this running for you guys, do a couple demos. And we'll be going over how to hook this up to an existing AVR or a preamp Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a simple unboxing, getting this thing out and looking it over, giving you some quick specs, and yeah, just kind of announce and let you guys know that we are an authorized dealer for Parasound. We're an authorized dealer for all the products that we show on our channel. So be sure to reach out if you are interested in anything. We guarantee the lowest price on all of our products with nationwide free shipping. If you have not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to do that and hit that subscribe button for us. We truly appreciate that. And yeah, that's it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.